Spotty internet connection ruining your Crunchyroll experience? Well, fear not. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how to download episodes in Crunchyroll. To download episodes on Crunchyroll, you have to buy a premium plan. If you already have the premium plan, let's move forward, otherwise stay till the end to know more. To download episodes, open the anime of your choice, then in the episodes list, tap on the download button. You can add multiple downloads, but it will download only one episode at a time, and the other one goes to the queue. There's another way to download the episodes. Tap on the episode and then tap on the download button. There's no limit on downloading episodes on Crunchyroll. We have tried downloading episodes on multiple devices from the same account at the same time, and the experience was seamless. If you want to remove the episodes you have downloaded, tap on the tick mark beside the episode, then tap on the remove button. It will remove the episode from the list. Now, to view the offline episodes, go to the My List tab, then tap on the Offline tab, and you can view all the episodes that you have downloaded. If you want to change your sync quality, tap on the Account tab, scroll down, and tap on the Sync Quality. You can see three options available for download quality. If you want to use cellular data for the download, turn the toggle on beside the sync using cellular option. Now let's talk about the premium plans in question that will help you download episodes on Crunchyroll. While Crunchyroll offers two paid plans, namely Fan and Mega Fan, but only the second one allows you to download episodes. The Mega Fan plan is available in India for ₹99 per month and in US for $9.99 per month. The Mega Fan plan allows you to stream on 4 devices at a time, offline viewing, and access to Crunchyroll Game Vault. And the annual plan allows you 16% discount on monthly plan billed annually. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.